I just want to record this thing live here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. I just want to do a quick one. I'll record it live here. I have a disturbing information from a very, very reliable source about what they are planning to do to Ijele. The source that I have the information from told me that they are planning to bring Ijele over by all means necessary to Oka. So when they bring him over to Oka, they will charge him if they are bringing him to the court. So when he appears before the judge in Oka, after the whole proceedings, the judge will now remind him in a prison, one of the prisons in the southeast. This information I'm giving to you is a very, very authentic information, very, very reliable. So they will remind him in a prison, in one of the prisons in the southeast there. So when they now remind him there, you know, in all those prisons they have their boys there, either the ones they have arrested before the coming of the unknown gunmen, or after the coming of the unknown gunmen, before they have their boys there. So the moment he's been arrested and detained in any of those prisons there, someone is already in the prison waiting for him. In any of the prisons in the southeast, they have someone waiting for him there. He that is down needs no fear. Person wey don't fall for ground, wetin dey wan fear again? He's already on the ground. So if someone should assassinate Ijele in that prison, what will you do to him? You still keep him in the same prison. They will confidently stay there. So what I'm saying now in effect is that plan has been made, strong plan, a very, very strong plan has been made, and they have someone in all the prisons in the southeast waiting for Ijele to come. The moment they bring Ijele to that place, Ijele will not stay there 2 days. The moment they bring Ijele inside that prison, inside any of the prisons in the southeast, Ijele is gone. The person will assassinate Ijele and face the consequences. This is a very disturbing news. Very, 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 very disturbing information that I had this morning. Very reliable. Very, very reliable. So I'm calling on all Ijele lovers, fans, friends. Tomorrow, being Monday, we are going to hit it. We are going to hit the street. I won't tell you the location because of I don't want it's not good for your enemies to know your plan. That's to know, even if they know the plan, they wouldn't know where you will execute the plan. So we are planning for another protest tomorrow. Ijele must not go to Oka, because already the plans has been concluded that the moment he appears in Oka, they will assassinate him. They will do it and face the consequences. That's the funny part of it. You might be thinking, will they do it, this, that. They will do it and face the consequences. This information, don't joke with it. Very, very, very reliable. You know, I have ears all around. I have ears everywhere. I have friends. I don't stay outside this. Apart from this coming to Abuja, I don't stay outside the southeast. So I know people. Once I come out on social media to tell you, say, see, believe me, that's how it is. I remember when I was telling you guys that these guys are planning to turn southeast into bloodshed. None of you believed me, but today you are seeing it. So I have information. The moment Ijele leg enter inside any of the prisons in the southeast, my bastard, 2 hours self is too much. They will assassinate him and face the consequences. They will assassinate him and face the consequences of the assassination. You might be thinking that it's only see, the people who are plotting this thing, some of themselves are not even in the Biafra struggle. This thing is beyond that. A lot of things is going on. A lot of things is going on. They would see. A lot of things is going on. Leave it. Leave it. So many people want Ijele dead for reasons best known to them. So many people want Ijele dead, and we will not allow it to happen. Ijele cannot have a friend like me. He cannot have a guy like me. He cannot have a man like me, and then he will suffer. No. I'm out to help Ijele come out from the prison, and we will do everything humanly possible to make sure it happens. They don't finish the plan. They don't finish the plan. If your leg enter any of the prisons, they will kill him. One hand, they don't give you waste time. One hand. Killing doesn't. I'm not saying poisoning him. They will kill him. Even you don't say Ijele now is on dialysis, so it's not as strong as he used to be. If it was if Ijele was not on dialysis, I have no fear, because him, I don't know if you've met Ijele one-on-one. I've met him one-on-one. If na bone power, Ijele get bone power. If na strength, Ijele get strength. If na say una one fight, he's ready to fight. He's strong, physically strong. When I mean Ijele is physically strong, he's somebody that I know. me and them, they work every work away, they work now. If Ijele have done 90 protests in Nigeria, I organize 70. Or let's say 80. Yeah, I organized 80. Some of them I don't show my face, but I organized it. So I know him very well. I know Ijele in and out. I know him well. So I know his strength. But Ijele does not have that strength again. Dialysis is not. I went to the internet to read about dialysis. I discovered that dialysis is not child's play. It's not child's play. So you cannot be on dialysis and you still have that same strength you used to have before. It's not possible. It's not. It's not possible. Mascot say take protest to Imo State Government House. We have that idea. Yes, that would be when I leave Abuja. We're already planning it. We're already planning it. So mascot, no worry yourself. We're already planning it. I'm planning it with Zona Boy. Zona Boy, we are planning it together. We just said something. I told him that I'm going to Abuja when I come back. That one I choice. We will also do it there. We also do it there. So the reason why I'm here this morning. The reason why I'm here this morning is that Ijele must be free, and Ijele will not die. Ijele cannot have a friend like me, and then nah, you know if it happen. Because I have my ears everywhere. They have perfected their plans. They've organized everything. That the moment the leg enters southeast, they remind them. So even if they miss him at the court premises, they remind them that is the end of it. Somebody will do it and face the consequences. In fact, he will be a hero. He will just be there suffering, but his family is being taken care of. He will be a hero to them. They will pay him handsomely. And if care is not taken, they might bring him out of the prison or even kill him themselves. Yes, let me tell you, you that is being used, or maybe you know about this plot to assassinate Ijele. All of them, they will still kill all of them, because that's the only way to cover it up well. They will still kill all of them. We plan them. Yes, because so many people will be interested in it. So many people will be interested to know what happened, who plotted, and all blah 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 blah. They want to know. So you that is being used to plan something like this, just be rest assured that two things will happen to you. It's either they remove you out of this country or they kill you. But even if I doubt the possibility of moving you out of this country, from prison, they will not do jailbreak for your own for your sake. They will still kill you too, so that to cover up everything. But I'm not interested if they are going to kill you or not. Desmond, my brother, Ike, I greet you. How you doing now? British soldier. I greet you, my brother. I greet you. It was my friend way back in Kanu. We all grew up in Kanu. I greet you, my brother. So, my brother, my stance has always been this. I'm saying no to the killing in the southeast. We shouldn't be killing ourselves. See, we can tell you one story now. Okay, now you talk, say you want to fight for Biafra. All the people who use fight for the Biafra, they don't kill the finish. They don't kill the finish. Who will not fight for you now? Eh? You say you want to fight for Biafra. All the people who want to use fight for the Biafra, they don't kill the finish. All the strong men, they don't kill the finish. It's either you kill them yourself, or police kill them, or army kill them. I want to tell you guys a story that will shock you guys. This one, that forfeit me. No, see, all my life, all my life, if I'm to go into military, waiting for 50 pass that DSS, DSS, James Bond kind of DSS, that I want for 50 pass. Thumbs up. So, like I was saying, I want you guys to understand something that is playing in the southeast now. The betrayer is so strong. The betrayer is so strong. I want to tell you something that happened of recent. Before we now go back to Ijele talk. There was a plot to come and bomb Umuaka police station. Look at the here. I want to give you that gist today. Look at see how these guys are betraying themselves. All in the name of Biafra. There was a plot to bomb Umuaka police station. The plot was intensive. So, they were planning it. So now, among themselves, because outside I will not hear about the plot. It is them that is hearing about the plot. They hear, listen attentively, because I want to open you guys' eye, so that you guys understand what is playing in the southeast. You'll be in a better position to understand it well. So there was a plot to bomb Umuaka police station. In fact, burn it down. Among them, as they were planning it, someone among them was leaking the plot. They hear, because they are planning it inside the bush. As I did now, I don't know what's in the plan, because I'm not a member. It is them that knows what they are planning. And when they are planning something, they don't tell anybody. Now them they are with the plotter. They hear. So on the day of the execution, the plan leaked. What I'm telling you now is information that we got after the whole thing. After we hear say see what happened, we can't make investigation what happened. This is the information that I got, and it's authentic, reliable. So on the day of the execution, the day they are coming to come and burn down Umuaka police station. If you know Imo State very well, you know a place called Umuaka. Umuaka is in Njaba local government. Njaba local government is just after Mbitolu local government. You will not get Njaba. Njaba is the beginning of Olu zone. The place they call Olu, that is the beginning. If you are coming from Owerri. So they are on the day of the execution. The information has already leaked. The sources of the information leaked them. Even when they were coming out, they told them that these guys are coming out now. Now, army go lay ambush for them. The person that gave the soldiers information gave them the information on how which route they will pass through. As they were coming, now so as they entered the army trap, now so army open fire for their head. Now so army open fire for their head. They killed 3 people with sophisticated people. One even carry GPMG. They killed 3 people. Their body, they lie them down. I think I still have the picture on my phone. They carry their car, who they use for the operation. You see that these guys are seriously unserious. Who leaked the plan? Now them too. Now them. Now them go come to social media, hey, up on non-government, hey, center non-government, they hail you. Now still them go tell police and army, say, see what you do. So why are you still dying for a cause that is filled with betrayals? Why are you still dying for a cause that is filled with betrayals everywhere? Let me share that one again with you. This one will shock you. Probably some of you might have had it, but this one will shock you. Ikonso of blessed memory, according to devil, blessed memory. I will say blessed memory because I know him one-on-one. Those days, he used to come to my house. Those days before I hands off from everything and told them no, this is not the agenda. Ikonso, after Ikonso died, after the death of Ikonso brother was like, all the money promised to my brother, how far? I'm not seeing anything. My brother's wife, my brother's widow, how far? I'm not seeing anything. Do you know Chinasa Nwewu plotted with another person to go and kill Ikonso brother just for demanding the money that was meant to be given to his brother's widow? Because if the brother's son is sick, the wife don't call anybody now. Now still the Ikonso brother in go call. So the burden is so much on his head. So the best thing he can do is to make sure that that money that was promised to his brother Ikonso was given to the wife, so that the wife can use that money to start business and take care of the family, and the burden will be less on him. Do you know Chinasa Nwewu and the rest of the gangs there plotted to kill this boy because he spoke the truth? The next thing, they branded him a saboteur, because if they want to kill you, they will brand you saboteur. Then the foolish ones who don't think, who will never think in their life, the foolish ones who will never think, who will never check if this guy is guilty or not. Hey, kill him, oh yeah, saboteur, kill him, hey. At the end of the day, they will kill the person. Then after killing the person, they will now come and find out the truth. This is how the Southeast has become. In Umunoha of recent, two Yahoo boys had issue. Two Yahoo boys that belong to two different cults. One is a Vikings, one is a Black Ass member. Two Yahoo boys. One, I won't want to say it so I won't create more problem in the Southeast. One of them went and reported to unknown gunmen that is operating in Asia axis that he came back from abroad, and that this other one again is threatening his life with his boys. Those unknown gunmen collected money from him and sent men to go and assassinate the other one. They went there and killed him before the shrine of Iyafo in Umunoha. They killed him before the shrine of Iyafo in Umunoha. Now, the person that was killed, is he a saboteur? No. Is he working for Fulani herdsmen? No. Is he a politician? No. Nothing. It's just that two Yahoo boys have problem. Yahoo boy number A and Yahoo boy number B. Yahoo boy number A he does philanthropy. He helps people. The other one, they do dorime. You understand what I mean? He spends his money in clubs and all that. So the other one is being loved more than the other one. Envy, come inside. The one that does dorime now went and paid unknown government, told them lies that he just came back from abroad and this guy wants to kill him, and that was all. They came and they assassinated the other guy in front of the shrine, the year for shrine. in Umunoha. This story, go to Umunoha, you will find it out. I'm not lying to you. I'm not telling you cockaboo stories. This is the way the things has now become. No investigation, nothing. This is the similar fate that is waiting for Ijele now. The moment the leg touch that place, they want to kill him. And it is so unfair. And we are all quiet. Everybody is quiet. Nobody's talking. Nobody's talking. Me, when they talk, you say, catch me kid. Hey, he's doing this, he's doing that. It's so wrong. So unfair. Now, if you kill Ijele now, what will happen? If you kill Ijele now, what will happen? What will be the benefit of killing Ijele? Now, I want to know, what will be the benefit of them killing Ijele? What will they kill if they kill Ijele? Someone else will rise. Someone else will still be talking. For some time, I decided to keep quiet because even if you see, to be frank with you, the ones who condemn what is happening in the southeast are not willing to commit their finances, their time in the fight against liberating the southeast. They're not willing to do it, and that is why, see, that is why everything is moving. That is why this killing is escalating. Because even the ones that are speaking against it are not willing to commit their finances and their time. You that is committing your finances and time, they are even kicking against you. They are like, it's cashing out. Cashing out. Do you know the risk involved in it? Do you know the risk? Even what I'm saying now, do you know the risk involved in it? It's saying these two stories that I told you now, do you know the risk involved in it? And you are talking about cashing out. Cashing out how? Which body? There are people in this life, if you pay them millions, billions, they will not talk. Because you will take the money, but how will you eat the money now? It's like going to a lion's mouth to go and take diamond. Lion will open the mouth, they be like saying they sleep. They say go there, and as you open the mouth, diamond there inside. They say go there and take the diamond. You can go and put your hand, but will you come out? That is the level of risk we that is talking are taking. Look at Ijele, a young, strong, vibrant man, has been poisoned. Ijele was poisoned. That one a fact, but no be this Shinaja village. Yeah, advanced poisoning, advanced one. Now waiting they use for my brother Ijele. Advanced poisoning, him they use for them. Whoever did it is what I don't know. Because one thing I don't do in this life is to accuse somebody wrongly. The one thing I don't do in this life is to accuse somebody wrongly. Before I say anything, I must investigate. I know how to do my investigations. Anyone that I want to do, I will commit resources in it and do the investigation and do it well. Do it very, very well. So, I'm calling on you, all you Ijele lovers. We must do everything humanly possible to bring Ijele out, to make sure that he does not go to Oka. We are doing it legally. I've gone back to Deji. And I want you guys to also know that, if I let me not say it on camera, I think I won't say that one on camera, but we have bring back Deji, and we are working tirelessly. I'm in Abuja. Each night I spend here, I know how much. Each night I don't have a house in Abuja, so I'm in a hotel. Each night I spend here, I know how much I pay. I know how much I pay. The account that I posted, the OP account that I posted, it's only one person. Only one person that was touching inside to put 5,000 inside. With all the numerous friends Ijele had. That OP account. And then a woman now called me one day and said, okay, use this one for transport. But that OP account, only one person put 5K inside. And yet, Ijele has so many friends. So you think we are playing? You think we are playing? Okay, if you think you can, come and do it now. Come and do the protest. How can Ijele be in 7 months in prison and no protest? No one has ever done one protest against his illegal detention. Why is it that if you don't like my face, produce another person to do it now? One problem with Ijele's friends, some of them, is that you can't do it. Somebody is available to do it. You don't want that person to do it. Or you bring another person to do it. You cannot bring another person to do it. Keeping that is better he dies there than me to do it. That is what you are just telling Ijele. And I am doing this video so that by the time he come out, he go see him. He go see him. Say I talk him. There are so many of Ijele's friends who can afford to mobilize us, who will pack crowd, enter protest. But they don't want to do it because maybe the face that is doing it, they don't like. They want another face to do it. Which face? I bring the face that make him do them. 7 months now, no single protest has been done for Ijele apart from the one that I did. Why? And yet you claim you love Ijele. Yet you claim you support Ijele. I was at Deji's office the other day. Somebody called Deji on the phone. I was like, Deji, we have to protest against this fuel hike. We have to protest. Yeah. Deji told him, I am not interested. Nigeria is not worth dying for. Nigeria is not worth fighting for. And I see reasons with him. He refused. 2 calls. I was in his office. I was in Deji's office for more than 5 hours, 6 hours. Yes, I arrived there by 10 o'clock. It be 6 hours. I arrived there by 10 o'clock, and I left Deji's office 4:30 to 5. That was when I left his office. Because we are trying to put 1 or 2 things together to make sure he comes out. Why? People are tired of fighting for Nigeria. People are tired. They were begging him, hey, come out, hey, do this, do that, do that. He said, no, they come out. They come out. They just not, see, they is very rich, oh. Nigeria going in the drive, oh. If you see in law firm, his law firm is just like a son own. It's not a son yet. It's a very big lawyer. If you see lawyers, associates, senior lawyers that are in his, if you see, he's an employee of labor. He has so many people he has employed though. He's putting food on the table of so many people. So many families are benefiting from Deji in his law firm. Is he the security man at the gate? That day that I came, they were doing I don't know what the kind of meeting they were doing. After everything, they now had a meeting. I know what he gave to them. The package, as in the entertainment package. I've never seen it in any company. And all of them got it, including the security men at the gate. Because I was there watching. So you that is saying Deji is this, Deji, you don't know anything. I know Deji. I've seen him one-on-one. I was in his office. A duplex, now up and down, two-story building in there. Full law firm. Up 2-story building. That is where the law firm is though. So if you're thinking that, and I won't say this one on camera. Listen, you got to get close to people to know people. What I saw at his office, I was very, very impressed. Someone now called him on the phone. Let us do a protest against the hike in food. He said no, he won't do. Because if you are doing it for Nigeria, the next thing will be say you are cashing out. That one they pay and pass. You are cashing out. Oh yeah, you come and do it and cash out now. You come and do it and cash out. Some of Ijele friends are not thinking in their mind, hey, it's cashing out. Hey, is that? Listen, I am not begging. You all saw my wedding. Does that look like a beggar? A beggar's marriage. I did it in Lagos. I am not begging. And I will never beg. How can a man, a traditional man like me, who has done his Agu, done his Amadioha, done his Ikenga, done this in the minute, and then I will not be begging. Begging from who? Begging from who? Beg you for what? If I don't have money, I will take snap and orgy, go to my shrine there in my Akwa. They are all in the same place. And I will beg them there. I will beg my G to give me. I will not beg you human being to give me. Ijele is my brother, and I must do everything humanly possible to bring out Ijele. And you have to help me. You all have to help me. I'm not begging you. I'm only asking you to do the needful. Ijele must come out, and Ijele coming out is not by mouth. You must be committed in it. Financially, you must be committed. Or you come out and join us in the protest. Protest costs money. Yes. Mobilization. This is called mobilization. It is called logistics. It costs money. To organize the protest, it costs money. You can't bring people out from so that's the last one we did. I hired the car for the whole day. See the last protest we did, the one we did it in two places: Ministry of Justice and then APC National Secretariat. These two offices are not in the same place, so mind you, these two offices are not in the same place. If you know Abuja very well, these two offices are not in the same place. They are in different places. So the car we rented has to stay with us. He would drive us. First we went to the Ministry of Justice, and we stayed there after the whole. We didn't even protest for 5 minutes. Then I called me up. We didn't even protest for 5 minutes. Then I called me up, and I climbed up. They asked me questions. I dropped my letter. I took my own copy of the letter. This should be my own copy here. I think it should be here. Stamped by them. This one is the one from the national chairman of APC. Look at it. I don't know if it's clear. National chairman of APC. Don't mind me, I'm using one hand to operate. This one is from Federal Ministry of Justice. Yes, if you can see it very well. Federal Ministry of Justice. I don't know if it's clear. Federal Ministry of Justice. Are you seeing it? So when we say we protested, we didn't just go there and make noise and come back. I had, look at it. One is APC office, one is Federal Ministry of Justice. The letter was submitted. This is their own acknowledgement, which I can go back there anytime I want to go back to follow up the whole thing, which I'm doing. So we are not playing over this Ijele matter. We are not playing. We are very serious about it. And what I don't want is this nonchalant attitude, or this I don't like his face attitude. We are fighting for Ijele. If you don't like my face, if you don't like my face, bring somebody else to do it. Bring somebody else to do it. But if you cannot bring somebody else to do it and you don't like my face, you are an enemy of Ijele. Because it is not all about saying it on social media. We need to put actions on ground. We need to action. We need to see this protest is not 1 day or 2 days. It need to be protested steady protest, steady. We need steady protest to make sure that our brother comes out. And listen. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. I will put an account again. But this time around, it won't be an OPay account, because sometimes I think people who stay abroad find it difficult to pay money into OPay account. I'll put another account again. Let me see, Ijele friends. The more money we have, the more we mobilize. The more money we have, the more protests we do. Because it's not going to be a one-day protest. Even if I go here with 10 people, and go here, I go another place with 10 people, as long as the protest is steady, as we are protesting, we are submitting later, as we are protesting, we are submitting later, as we are protesting, we are submitting later, something positive will happen. He will not go to Oka and he will be released. The lawyers will be doing their part. We will also be doing our part. When I told Deji that I protested, he was like, hey, are you sure? I said, yes. I showed him the video. He was like, yeah, yes. He was very happy about it. And I told him we are going to do another one again, though. He said he's going to give me a pro bono. He's trying to say, what was he trying to say? He said, in case if we have problem, he's going to come out for us. I said, thank you. That is your own part that you are playing. That is your own part you are playing. What of you that is Ijele's friend? What part are you playing? What of you that is sharing Ijele? Right on. You are doing well. Yeah, what part are you playing? 2,000 naira is money. 4,000 naira is money. 500 naira is money. What part are you playing? What part are you playing in this Ijele issue? What part are you playing? Igwe Abuchi, the account number. After this video, because I already have typed everything, I don't know if I can go back to what I typed, the headline. I don't know if I can do it. But after this video, I will edit it and put the account number there. Every dime you bring will be accounted for. I will make sure it is used very, very well. I will make sure it is used very, very well. Someone said, focus the energy on the release of MNK, then he will be pardoned. The people who I know, pardoned where? This is what I need to talk about. From who? Who is saying that one? Anyway, that's not the reason why I'm here. I'm here for Ijele, and that's all. I'm here to make sure Ijele comes out. Ijele is free, so that he can be with his family. Said pin the account number. To be frank with you, I don't have my account number offhand. What do I do now? I don't know. Please, the ones abroad, can you send money from abroad to an OPay account? If it's possible, tell me yes. At least I'm sure of Ofure, Obo, Ofure. I know, I'm very sure of you. You stay abroad. Ofure, can you send money to an account from to an OPay account from abroad? Please answer me. Or any other person that is in abroad, can you send money to an OPay account from abroad? Someone should answer me, please. Okay, you can send you can send money from abroad to an OPay account. Is that what you're trying to say? Please, someone should answer me. Ihachiku said yes. I don't know if the yes he's saying is for what I said now. I don't know. Because the OPay account is in my head. But my main account, I don't have it offhand. Okay. So let me type it here now. Jagaban said, give normal bank account, please. Why did he say so? Please, if you want to join me on this live program, please indicate. I will accept you so that you will discuss more. Igbo is saying, call each someone go beat for you. I don't understand what you mean by call each someone go beat for you. It's OPay. Ofure, it is OPay. OPay account. Let me see if I can see. Hold on, please. If you want a normal account, then you have to inbox me because I don't have that account number of I don't have it offhand. If Chuku said, I have sent something to the OP account. As it progresses, I will send more. You will see us back to back. We are going to do back to back protests for Ijele. Back to back. We're not playing. Back to back. As long as you can send money from abroad, then the OP account doesn't have any problem. Because here in Nigeria, you can pay into OP account, and I think it's better. My other account, I don't know, I don't have it offhand. Back to back protests. All we know that Ijele is not going to die in prison. Ijele will come out and Ijele will be fine. He will not go to Oka. We will do everything humanly possible not for him not to go to Oka. Yes, I love this idea of tagging very dark man because if anyone knows where I can get him in Abuja here, I would have loved to go and see him. Today that is Sunday. If anyone can give me where, just say if in the line hangouts, I will go there, go find him. I will go there and look for him. Today is Sunday in Abuja, and I can move out today. Because we need to put hands together to bring Ijele out. Ijele must not die there. Ijele must know that he has a friend or he has friends. he has a brother or he has brothers. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free this month. Must. I gotta go where Ije. If na Igbo, they go say I gotta go where Ije. That is, you go use leg wakaram. You go waka. See, what I'm doing is not only physical. No. It's not only physical. I'm doing both physical, spiritual, anything you can think of. I'm doing it too. I'm doing it, yes. Before I came to Abuja, I prepared well. Before I came to Abuja, I prepared very, very, very well. That is why I'm having a smooth sailing in Abuja here. I prepared well, and I'm still doing more. I'm still doing more. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. In fact, let's still go to the end. Ijele must be free. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free next week. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free in next week. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Go and meet your APC supporters for money. Did I ask you? You will talk. Go and now them are they meet now. Yes, I'm meeting them online. So what are you doing there? Since you're not an APC supporter, what are you doing on my page? So get the fuck out of my page, man. What the fuck? What are you doing on my page, man? Yeah? I'm asking for APC for support. Let me be reading your comments. Ofure said, free Chukwuka of Febu, aka Ijele speaks. Now, in Nigeria. In Nigeria in the day, and Biafra at night. Nigeria is too short. Hey, Abeba Chukwuka, please paste the account details and pin it. Ijele has friends, just that a wrong approach was used earlier. Yes, I've done. Okay, Okoma Nonyelum. I have done that. It's an OP account. 808476639 OP. The name is Austin. You will see Austin Chukuma there. That's the account that we are using. I just asked somebody if someone abroad can pay into an OP account. He said yes. So it's an OP account. The account number is 8084766. Okay, let me make it more easier for people to understand. Let me make it more easier. Let me delete it and then write it again. Account number. Account number 80847666639. Account name. Austin DK. Bank. OP. I think it's far better like this. Chairman Weke said Ijele must be free. Ijele must be free. He must be free. Oh. We will not sleep until he come out. Please, this is where I've done it now. Account number 80847666639. Account name Austin DK Bank OP. Yes, I think it's clearer now. I think it's clearer now. I have pinned it already. I have pinned it on the comment section. I have done that. Yes. Okay. Igbo Abuchi said it's okay now. Yeah, I want to say something again. I want to reassure you guys. I don't know. Earlier, I was not involved I was not really involved. Though I was praying for him and doing all that I can do behind the scene. But now, when I've seen that, when I saw him at Ikoyi prison, you know, if you hear that he's poisoned, you will not really understand until you see him face to face. I saw him face to face, and I know the extent of the poison. So it kind of changed my whole mentality about the whole issue. I was like, no, I shouldn't be quiet. If I keep quiet, things will get worse. That is why I decided to come out. Igwe Abuchi said he has sent 20,000. Wow, that's great. We are now 20,000 richer. That's great. Our protest tomorrow is going to be very successful. As we receive fund, you'll be seeing it live. We'll not only do tomorrow. I said that back to back. So when I saw him at Ikoyi prison, I was like, I was devastated. I don't get myself. You know, we stayed for over 2 hours there talking. You know, I think I should, apart from Deji, nobody has ever been given that privilege to speak with him for a long time. I don't know, but I spoke to him well. We spoke well. And thank God for everything. We are out now to bring him out. We will bring him out to back-to-back protests. Back to back. When I mean back to back, you go to see him now. Back to back. And so good the protest. Steady until they bring him out. They will not rest. Pikin wey see mama no go rest. Himself no go rest. As they decide to keep him there, we will not allow him rest. We will not allow them rest. I'm happy that even J Park was even talking about to free Ijele yesterday. This is the impact of the protest, the impact of the spiritualities that is involved in it, you know. Don't be play. Yes, we are doing everything though. We are not only protesting though. We are doing everything physically, spiritually to make sure he comes out. Because I sense some kind of spiritual manipulations. Like I always say, so we are doing everything humanly possible to make sure that our brother comes out. And he will come out. Unharmed, he will come out. He will come out. But I need your support. I need your support. We've only done 2 protests now. That's the truth. 2 protests. We've only done 2. And these 2 that we are doing is shaking everywhere. But we need more. We need to do more. More and more and more and more and more until we get the results that we need. Here you said I've sent 20k too. That's good. We are heading, we are going further. The promise I'm making to you guys is that I won't let you guys down. Now with this year, the only thing that can stop me is if I don't have the resources to do it. But if I have resources to do it, now back to back, they no go rest, we don't go rest. And I will not tell you where I'll be going the next time. You just see me appear there. You only see me when I go live there. And anywhere we go, we'll go live. Anywhere we go, we'll go live. Anywhere we go, we'll go live. If we protest, if they listen to us in 5 seconds, Maba say I don't stop the protest. So go wherever the office is and drop my letter. Then later I'll follow up the letter. But say they don't listen to me, I go there with you now. But if they listen to me, I will drop my letter and I will go to another venue. That's so. But be rest assured that every dime you gave to me will be spent on this protest. And at the end of the day, you're not going to see the results. Hey, this Madubuchi. I don't know if you really know me. If you really know me, you're not going to talk all these things. Make I know stone you one. Bah! Give you a problem about you know. Okay, I said let this program last more. More people like, okay, I will be here. I'll be here. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is my prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is my prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is my prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is my prayer. Our prayer is for Ijele to come out free this month. My utmost desire is for him to come out next week. That's my utmost desire. But I pray he comes out this month. And the only way we can achieve this is collectively. Back-to-back protest. Okoma has also transferred 20,000. So far I've gotten 60,000. God bless you all. God bless you all. Ijele must be free. My prayer is that this month no go pass am. Back to back protest. Don't undermine the power of protest. Don't undermine the power of protest. Don't undermine it. It is very effective. It works like magic. It's not enough to be on social media and talk. It's not enough. You can also, the most effective one is the one you do live. The protest you do live. That one they get effect. I didn't say social media is not good. You guys have been wonderful. Those who have been commenting, talking about Ijele on social media, you guys have been wonderful. You guys have been doing great. I didn't say so. People like Ezawo, you have been doing great. You stood on the gap. Yes, I must really commend Ezawo, especially. You've stood on the gap. You've done great. You've done nice, and the rest of them. I am not condemning what you guys are doing. I didn't say you guys have done bad. I didn't say so. Don't misunderstand me. You guys have done wonderfully well. You guys have kept the battle going. Now we are here to finish the battle. We are here to finish the battle. Please, Obigi add the number. Obigi add the number. Don't be afraid. Don't slack. Don't panic. Don't panic. Be strong. As long as this journey is concerned, we will begin it and we end it fine. We will begin it and we end it fine. God will protect me, protect my family, protect all of us here. Because what we are doing is the right thing. We are not here to criticize anybody. I'm not here to come and say this person did like this or this person did like that. No, that's not the reason why I'm here. The reason why I'm here is to tell you that Ijele must be free, and Ijele must be free this month. Nothing more, nothing less. Ijele must be free and he must be free this month. It shouldn't be more than this month. Ijele must be allowed to come back home to take care of his health. And Ijele must not be allowed to go to Oka, because they have perfected the plan to assassinate him in the prison. Because definitely if they bring him to Oka, they will want to remind him. That is the plan. They want to remind him. They want to remind him there. So we will not allow it. We will never allow it. It cannot happen. Yes, so please like, share, and comment. Let us bring him out this month. It's possible. Please reach out to some of the lawmakers from your state that can assist to reach out to the powers that be. Yes, that is the next step I'm taking next week. That is this week now. We don't enter Sunday. I will reach out to as many as possible. I will reach out, especially the member representing Ijele's own constituency. Yes, I will reach out to him. I don't have his number, but if anyone who is watching this live program knows how I can get in touch with him, please let me know. I will reach out to him. If you know where he's living in Abuja here, I wouldn't mind to go to his house with my placard, single alone. All I need to do is just to get my cab ready, my cab that takes me around, because I like going with cab. You hear me? I like go with, we can call it boats here now, so that if I just reach, you go wait for me. I do what I do. If I come out, I say, oh, I'm going to go here throughout the day. And you know how expensive it is. You know how expensive it is here. So that I won't have any challenges on the road. That is why we've done our best. That's why I'm calling on you guys to support, because it's not easy here. It's not easy. Fuel is expensive. So as fuel is expensive, now so boats expensive too. Or the other taxes too that you have in Abuja here. Yeah, I always call it taxi here. So, but if I use both, you understand what I mean. So it's expensive. That's why I'm calling on you guys to support, to help, because it's not easy, my brother. It's not easy. It's not easy. But all I know is that Ijele will be free by force and by fire. And I also appeal to those who wish to make this case worse for us. Remember, remember that you as a man of God, remember that Jesus, they slap on this side. Jesus say, if they slap you this side, turn this side. Remember that Jesus, when he was being crucified, they were mocking him. Yet he said, Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing. And you are a Christian, meaning Christ-like. So you should follow this footstep of Jesus Christ. I'm not here to condemn any pastor. I don't want to make, I don't want to talk about that. But all I'm saying, please, if you are the pastor holding this matter or trying to pin it down somewhere, remove your hand. Remove your hand so that Jesus will bless you. Because it is written, forgive that ye might be forgiven. Forgive that ye might be forgiven. Please remove your hand. That is the only thing I can say to you, because I believe in diplomacy. It's only when we try diplomacy and it's not working, we begin doing badangwa. So for now, we are doing diplomacy. So I'm begging everybody who is holding, who is pinning, who is remove your hand. Let Ijele come back to his family. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is our prayer. Sing along with me if you can in your house, and God will bless you. General, inbox me your number. Okay, I will. As soon as I'm done, I will inbox you my number. Okay, I will. I wouldn't want to say that here. I will. Wait, there's a comment I want to read. Okay, Oma, I will inbox you after the program. I promise. Yeah. You want to come live? Charles Okoye. Okay. Yes. I'm sending you a request to come live. Charles Okoye. I don't know if you are seeing it. I'm sending you a request to come live. Oh, okay. Don't. You asked me to send you to come live. You're not declining it again. You sent me a request already. I can't see the request too. Please resend it again. I'm not seeing any request here. I'm sending you another request again. Okay, Charles, I'm sending it again now. I've sent it already. Mm. I've sent it to. I don't know what's the problem. Have you seen it? I don't know what's the problem, Charles. I don't know what the problem is, but I've sent you like you asked. This is early morning in Abuja here. Just woke up this morning and the news is so bad that so I had to come online and tell all you guys that we must do everything humanly possible not to allow Ijele go to Oka because they have already paid people who will assassinate him in the prison because they will remind him. Yes, they will remind him. Uh, he must not go to Oka. And I also want to tell his friends, those who will not want to comment here, that we must do everything humanly possible to do the needful. Mm. Okay, you send to me now, Charles. Send to me. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what the problem is. I'm sending it again. Okay, he said no problem. Let's pick after the option it shows is decline. I don't know. I don't know what the problem is. Okay, we'll talk after the live program. Please, we need more and more people to donate to this our plan to protest for Ijele. The money we've gotten so far is not enough. That's the truth. That's the truth. Back to back protest. Now what you want to do now? Back to back. No dey play with anybody. Hmm. Ijele must be free. Must be free in this life. Ijele must be free. This is a prayer. Ijele must be free. Must be free this month. Ijele must be free. This is a prayer. Ijele must be free this month by the special grace of God. Ọwụrụ ije, a ga-agagbu ya n'ije. Ọwụrụ ije, Now waka, we go waka and well. And we are serious about it. Ijele must be free, must be free, must be free. Ijele must be free. This is a prayer. Ijele must be free. Please like, comment, and share. Like, comment, and share. Igbo Abuchi, I don't understand what you wrote. You said, I want my show will do nothing in fighting for good for Igbo people. I don't know what you meant by that. Okay, I think I have to stop here. I think I have to stop here. I've made my point clear to people. Made my point clear. If you love Ijele, you've seen the account number here. Because we want to do back-to-back protests to bring him out so that he can be with his family. That's what we want. Bring him out so that he can be with his family. Yes, Coach MC Anyanwu, our future NFF president, is here with us. Very soon, I know the next election of Nigerian Football Federation, you're going to be the president. I know that because you deserve it. He's here. He said Ijele must be released to join his family. It's pathetic. Next time, next time you should not fight church. I love what you said. Ijele must be released to join his family. It's pathetic. Next time you should not fight church. Okay, when it comes out, I prefer you tell him that one yourself. Coach, our future NFF president. God knows say he deserve am. You are doing well in bringing football, raising young footballers. In case you have a talented player that you want him to go to Europe or any country, meet MC Anyanwu. He will make sure that person is being taken care of. Young talented, especially those 13 years, 14 years, 15 years, all those ones, 16, 17, all those young players. Because nowadays it's catch them young. Even a matured player self of 20 that still wants to play, meet Anyanwu, he will do the needful. Ijele must be free. Ijele must be free. That is what I know. I will do everything humanly possible to make it happen. I will stop here. God bless you. God protect you all. May Amadiohan, may Abu, may Kenga all guide us as we go. You say, bye bye.